Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa, a naturopathic doctor, and in today's video we're talking about MSM, short for methylsulfonylmethane, a natural compound best known for helping to support joint health and inflammation. Let's go over what MSM is, how it works, and how you can best take it. So what is MSM? MSM is an organic sulfur compound. It's found naturally in fruit, plants, and even in our bodies. Sulfur is essential for building collagen, keratin, and connective tissue, meaning that it's really helpful in supporting your joint health and your hair, skin, and nails. Now let's talk about how it works. MSM provides bioavailable sulfur, which helps to reduce any inflammation in your joints and muscles. It also helps to support collagen and connective tissue repair, also helps to enhance detoxification through sulfur metabolism pathways. It's also known to increase cell permeability, helping nutrients move into the cell and waste move out. Now let's go through some of the health benefits. It helps to reduce joint pain and stiffness, especially in osteoarthritis. It helps to support skin health and elasticity by boosting collagen, as well as helps to strengthen your hair and nails. It also aids in muscle recovery as well as post-workout soreness, and it helps with liver detox pathways. Now let's talk about how to take it. MSM usually comes in either capsule form or powder, and the typical daily dose is between 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams. If you're using the powder, you can mix it with either water or a juice. It does have a mildly bitter taste, and consistency is really key here. You'll only notice differences after 3 to 6 weeks of consistent daily use. Now a note on safety. MSM is generally very well tolerated, but there are some mild side effects such as bloating or loose stools when taken in high doses, so you can always start low and work your way up. MSM is also safe to be taken alongside glucosamine, chondroitin, or collagen supplements for extra joint support. So that's MSM, a natural sulfur compound that helps with joint support, healthy hair, skin, nails, and connective tissue. So if you're looking for an easy way to ease stiffness, help you glow from the inside out, then MSM might be something worth looking into. Have you tried MSM before? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.